There are primarily three different types of traders: those who don't know anything, those who know a little, those who don't realize that they don't know anything. And actually, the last ones make up about 80% of the whole market. Thank goodness I belong to the 10% who understand something. That's why I'm here with you, to share this experience. Hello friends, I'm Mary and I'm a professional trader. I'm here to assist you in navigating the world of trading. It does not matter which country you're from, how much money you earn, how much you know about trading binary options. I am here to help you. I have free Telegram channels, absolutely free, where I post precise signals and where we can trade together. We can collaborate to enhance your earnings. If you're interested, just follow the link in the description. Today, I will show you my trading session. I will show you what fills my day, and it's filled with trading. I absolutely love my job. I've turned my hobby into a source of significant profit, and now I enjoy life. And I invite you to follow me too. All you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Follow my signals and earn with me. So let's begin the trading session. As always, we start with trading view, a look at the charts and search for interesting situations. The British pound against the Japanese yen looks good. So let's open the currency pair on the trading platform right away. We find the currency pair and immediately enter into a trade for an upswing for $300 for 3 minutes because I've already seen everything I wanted to see. Here, there is no need for explanations. It's very easy to spot the reason for going long. A very strong support zone has formed on British pound and Japanese yen. Extremely strong. This zone used to act as a resistance, but after the breakout, it turned into a support zone. These are all the factors for entering the trade. This zone is so powerful that it has held for 2 days now. Perhaps some strong player or even a bank keeps buying from this zone continuously. Alright, for now the price is trading at the same level, not going up or down. It's normal. I expect this to continue for another minute. Then we'll get a few big green candles, which means we'll get the expected reaction from the support zone. I'm confident because, based on the chart's history, we haven't had extended trading near this support level. In about 30 seconds, we'll be heading upwards. Now let's wait for the results. Well, the trade didn't go exactly as I expected. I hope that in the last few seconds the trade will close in profit. And indeed it does. In the last few seconds, the trade closes in profit, earning me $249. Nothing out of the ordinary, just a somewhat unpredictable forex market. So let's move on. Alright, let's continue to monitor the market and various currency pairs. I want to get a few solid trades. So here we have the euro against the Japanese yen. Looks interesting. Let's quickly open this currency pair in the trading platform and prepare to enter a trade. What do you think? Long or short? Of course, we will enter a long position for 3 minutes with $300. The situation here is very straightforward and clear. So first we had a fairly strong downward impulse, and after that a correction began. Now the price is heading towards the trend line, which is a magnetic zone for the price. We can also notice that the price bounced off the support zone, meaning that this impulse pushes the price down to the support zone, and it rebounded and started to rise. I expect that the upward momentum will continue. It's possible that the price will immediately shoot up towards the trend line, or it might trade sideways for a while. Although right now, I think the price may trade here for a bit longer. It's quite possible that the price will drop a bit more, say to the middle of our correction. In that case, I'll open another trade, but for $600 for the same 2 minutes because our entry point here isn't the best. I essentially entered near the peak. If the opportunity is there, it's better to enter a bit lower. Now we wait for the outcome. Well, at the last second, the trade closes in the green. The price went up just a few points above our entry level. Well, the second trade is profitable, even though it wasn't without a bit of luck. No big deal. The main thing is that we made a profit. Let's take a look at the next charts. What other situations do we have? In principle, we can enter a trade for 5 minutes on the same currency pair because the volatility has decreased a bit here. The price will stay still for a few more minutes before taking off towards the trend line. 5 minutes should be enough to hedge against the possible retracement. Great. Right after I opened the trade, the price shot up sharply. In general, our analysis is the same as in the previous trade. The magnetic zone above is attracting the price, and at the bottom, the price bounced off the support zone, so it only needs a little time to rise. Now take a look at what's happening. We've already got the first impulse. I think we'll soon get a few more similar impulses and close the trade in a very confident profit. Not just thanks to luck. Let's wait for the result. Five seconds left until the end of the trade. Everything is going well. This is the kind of movement I expected to get when opening the previous trade. In the end, we have 3 profitable trades. We can now look for the next one. If I close one more trade in profit now, we can consider ending the trading session. By the way, 4 profitable trades bring around $1,000 for me. So, shall we stay with this currency pair? Currently, we can see that the price has reached the 0.5 Fibonacci level, but in general, this pair has lost its volatility and it's becoming risky to trade. Let's look at the British pound against the Canadian dollar. No, this pair looks weak. The euro against the dollar, very weak. The euro against the British pound. In general, there is an interesting situation here. We have a small local downtrend with solid highs, so we'll go short in this case. We opened the euro-British pound currency pair on the trading platform. Now we need to think about the expiration time when opening a trade, given that the market has lost its volatility. By the way, euro and British pound is starting to break the trend line. But I'm not hyped that the RSI isn't in an overbought zone. Perhaps the price will break the trend line and continue to rise, but I find it unlikely. Let's go for a short trade at $300. But with a 5-minute time frame to play it safe. We can see that the market currently has low volatility and even the best analysis might not play out in 3 minutes as the price isn't reacting for a while, but it looks like the price is starting to move now. I hope this movement will continue and we won't need to hedge. In this situation, when we're betting on a prolonged move from a strong support or resistance zone, it's better to have some extra time to handle retracements and whipsaws. Now let's wait for the results. So the price has indeed started to rise. We still have approximately 2 minutes left in this trade. Furthermore, the technical analysis remains valid. The price has just reached the resistance zone above the previous high. I believe we can now open another short trade for 5 minutes, just to enter from a more advantageous level and play it safe. But the first trade ends in a loss. These hedge trades should confidently close in profit. Besides the resistance zone, the RSI is finally showing overbought conditions, so we're doing everything right. All factors point to a market reversal. Now let's wait for the outcome. Our first trade can close in profit now. The price has reacted well to the resistance level, but now the trade closes in a loss. It missed by just a few pips. Well, the good news is that our hedge trade now has a very high chance of closing in profit and covering the loss, Most likely the downward move will continue. For now, let's wait for the results. So our hedge trade has closed in a very confident profit. I'm glad I opened it. We've not only covered the loss, but also made an extra profit. What a nice way to conclude the session. I really appreciate your time and value that you spend it with me. To stay in touch even more closely, subscribe to my Telegram channel where I post accurate signals every day and where I'm in constant communication with you, providing support and assistance.